All right. Good morning, everyone. Hi, my name is Ifeanyi, and today I'll be deleting my database and having it restructured back. So I'm actually on my database right now. So I'm going to go down to the database, and I just have 4 minutes to that. So I'm going to start this time, and I'm going to delete this database. So all I need to do is just to copy this delete database. We go to database and put it here and do the same thing just to delete that database. Okay, so now I have deleted my database, so I just need to create a new one very quickly. So I'm going to go to Postgres, and then in the Postgres, so it's going to be loading. So I'm going to name my database. So let's say um, use this name. All right, so yeah, so just set this name. So good, and I need to go down. It's a free basis, so I'm going to choose free, and I'm going to go down there, and I'm going to create a database. Okay, all right. So it's creating a database. So it's going to take a little bit time, but before then, we're going to go to this place, and here in my PG admin, I'm going to uh, remove the server. Okay, so I'm going to remove the server. Okay, yes, remove the server. So I'm just going to take out the server. Out. Okay. Alright, so we have removed that server. We need to connect it back. So we're going to check our database. Alright, so we have this database. So name have been suggested for us, username. Okay, alright, so very good. So let's go back to um, this and let's create another server. So register server, and we're gonna go back to this code, but let's put it in this format. Okay, let's use this one. Alright, so choose this, and I'm going to take it to the right. So, and we need the name. Okay, we need a name. So, our name we're going to give this is going to be, I'm going to give it a name as render. I love this one. So, let me change it to render.com. Okay, that should be the server name. That's a unique name. So, go to connection. I will go to external database URL. Okay, the external database URL. Copy that and paste it here, and voila. So we are having photos. This time we are going to highlight here, delete that, and from the slash, okay, from the path, we're going to clear that one. I'm going to come down to maintain database. So under the maintain database, we're going to say this is the database name. I'm going to copy that and put it in the maintain database. And we're going to come down to username, copy the username, and I'm going to put it here. Alright, so we needed to do something. Let's go back to general. Okay, we have everything connected now, and come back to this place and say save password. So we're gonna copy that password for database. Copy and paste it here. Alright, so we're just gonna shift this time and check the parameter. So under the parameter, we're gonna require okay, whatever connection. Okay, we're gonna leave this one just the way it is, and we're going to save that. So we're going to save it, and even as we save it, we are going to be waiting for feedback database. Okay, now you can see that we have our database, okay, databases, and express under the recruiting code. Okay, we have scheme under the schemas. Okay, under the schemas we have the type. To check that we can see we don't have anything in the type, and as well as the tables. Okay, we have here we need to create some. I need to create uh, account type. Okay, and for definition, just verify that. So we need to create the client. I almost forgot, but here we need enumeration rather than what we are having. The clients, um, employee, spell it out, employee, and we actually need an admin. Okay, so right here, uh, SQL. So we're just gonna copy this, copy that, and gonna head on to yeah, just gonna look at the top of our code here, and we're just gonna replace that with this. Right, so save that. Okay, so create table. Alright, so this here we need to correct that constraint. Okay, constraint, and right, so let's copy everything here. Let's see. Right, this should save, and we have an account type, right? So here in this account type, we need to use to do some